Capture every detail with the best slow-motion cameras designed to elevate your videography. These cameras excel at recording high-speed events with stunning clarity, delivering silky smooth footage at ultra-high frame rates. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best slow-motion cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Panasonic LUMIX GH7 redefines cinematic creativity with cutting-edge features designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Boasting a 25.2 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, it offers unparalleled image clarity and a 13+ stop dynamic range, ensuring your shots are vivid and richly detailed. This iconic camera now supports internal 5.7K 30p, Apple ProRes 422HQ, and RAW HQ recording, marking a leap in video production with enhanced speed and quality. What truly sets the GH7 apart is its world-first 32-bit float recording, allowing you to capture impeccable audio without adjusting levels mid-shoot when paired with the DMW XLR2 adapter. Effortlessly transition from shooting to post-production as the GH7 integrates seamlessly with Adobe Cloud and Frame.io, enabling direct uploads of stills and proxy videos. Its Open Gate feature supports multiple aspect ratios, ensuring every frame is optimized for your preferred social media platform. With professional-grade performance and innovative tools, the GH7 elevates your content creation. Its compatibility with Apple ProRes and Adobe platforms streamlines workflows, making it an ideal choice for filmmakers, photographers, and content creators alike. The Sony Alpha 7 RV elevates slow-motion filmmaking and photography with cutting-edge features and next-level intelligence. Powered by a revolutionary AI processing unit, this camera delivers unmatched precision and creative freedom. Its 61.0 megapixel, full-frame XMOR RCMOS sensor ensures incredible detail, while back illumination enhances low-light performance. With a 3:2 aspect ratio, every shot retains a cinematic feel. The real-time recognition autofocus system employs deep learning AI to track subjects with exceptional accuracy, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving action in slow motion. The advanced Bionz XR engine boosts processing speed by up to 8 times, ensuring seamless performance during high-resolution recording. Videographers will appreciate its 8K video at 24/25p for ultra-crisp footage, alongside 4K recording at 60p, offering smooth slow-motion playback that adds dramatic impact to your work. This camera is more than a technical marvel. It's a tool for creators seeking precision and versatility. Its lightweight, ergonomic build ensures comfort during long shoots, while customizable controls enhance efficiency. Whether you're capturing intricate details in stills or cinematic sequences, the Sony Alpha 7 RV is a powerhouse for professionals who demand the best. The Nikon Z8 is a masterclass in capturing detail, speed, and precision. Its 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor paired with the X-Speed 7 processing engine ensures extraordinary image quality and responsiveness. Built for versatility, the Z8 boasts Nikon's most advanced autofocus system, employing deep learning algorithms to track subjects with uncanny accuracy, even in near darkness at -9 EV. Its 3D tracking system locks onto people, pets, vehicles, and more with ease. Videographers will revel in the Z8's video capabilities. It delivers stunning 8K video at 60 frames per second and 4K slow motion at a silky 120 frames per second. With internal 12-bit NRAW and ProRes RAW recording, it provides unmatched flexibility for professional editing. Stills photographers will appreciate its range of file formats, from RAW 14-bit to high-efficiency 10-bit HEIF, offering both depth and efficiency. For portrait enthusiasts, the Z8 features skin softening, portrait impression balance, and enhanced white balance options, making every shot flattering and professional. The camera's blazing fast shooting speeds, up to 120 frames per second, capture split-second action effortlessly. Compact and packed with cutting-edge tech, the Nikon Z8 is the ultimate hybrid camera for creators seeking exceptional slow-motion footage, lifelike stills, and seamless adaptability across genres. The Canon EOS R1 redefines slow-motion capabilities with its cutting-edge technology and precision engineering. At the heart of this powerhouse is a Canon-designed 24.2-megapixel full-frame back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor delivering incredible detail and speed. Dual Pixel AF paired with the revolutionary cross-type AF system at the imaging sensor ensures seamless tracking and pin-sharp focus, even in demanding scenarios. For creators looking to amplify image quality, the built-in neural upscaling feature doubles the horizontal and vertical resolution, producing stunning 96-megapixel JPEGs in just 10 seconds. Its pre-continuous shooting mode captures up to half a second of action before the shutter is fully released, ensuring you never miss the decisive moment. The R1's performance is further enhanced by the Digic accelerator and Digic X image processor, which work harmoniously to improve eye control, metering, and overall speed. Whether capturing breathtaking slow-motion footage or high-speed action, this system handles every challenge with ease. Perfect for professionals, the Canon EOS R1 embodies innovation, offering unparalleled autofocus, brilliant image resolution, and lightning-fast responsiveness. The Sony Alpha 9 III redefines speed and precision with groundbreaking features that cater to professional photographers and videographers. At its core is the world's first full-frame global shutter Exmor RS sensor, which eliminates rolling shutter distortion by capturing all pixels simultaneously. This ensures flawless results when shooting fast-moving subjects, even in challenging environments. Its ability to shoot continuous bursts at up to 120 frames per second with full autofocus and auto exposure tracking, combined with blackout-free performance, makes it a game-changer for high-speed photography. Powered by an advanced AI processor, the Alpha 9 III achieves unparalleled subject recognition and tracking accuracy, ensuring you never miss a moment. The 24.6-megapixel backside illuminated Exmor RS image sensor offers superior resolution and speed. Paired with the enhanced BION ZXR processor, it delivers lifelike color accuracy, exceptional tonal gradations, and minimized noise. The maximum shutter speed of 1/80,000 seconds allows precise capture of split-second action, and the ability to synchronize flash units at all shutter speeds guarantees evenly lit images without compromise. With its unrivaled combination of speed, clarity, and cutting-edge technology, the Sony Alpha 9 III is an essential tool for those seeking professional-grade results. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.